this next video, I just want to illustrate a scrape that I set up with a grapevine licking branch and just scraped away the leaves and urinated in it myself. I just wanted to prove that this could be done without any scents. You don't need to buy a lot of commercial scents to make scrapes. All you need is a good licking branch that'll hold the scent that the deer automatically put down. Anything that's hanging straight down and is in their face in a place where they're walking anyway, they will scent post that. So this is just a fun video. Enjoy the footage. Lots of wildlife going by there. What's in here is only about half of what showed up on camera, and it's just to illustrate that you can make a scrape out in the woods and get tons of pictures of bucks and other wildlife going by. So grapevines are the best, but you don't have to use a grapevine. You can use any kind of a stick or even a bushy branch hanging down and where the deer are traveling anyway. So enjoy, and I'll see you later.
Be sure and hit the like and subscribe button and click on the bell so you'll be notified when there's a new video. And comment down below and let me know if there's anything you'd like to know more about.